A good steak marinade doesn't need 100 ingredients. It just needs the right balance. This red wine vinegar steak marinade gives you rich flavor, a little tang, fresh herbs, and beautifully tender steak. The full recipe link is in the description below. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a mixing bowl to create the base of the marinade. Next, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to build depth and sharpness into the flavor. Now give everything a quick whisk until the liquids are well combined and fragrant. Then add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the acidity with a slight sweetness. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for that classic herb flavor that pairs beautifully with steak. And finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to round everything out. Now whisk everything together once again until the herbs and seasonings are evenly distributed throughout the marinade. If you enjoy easy homemade marinades like this, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves steak night, and subscribe to SpiceRally for more homemade recipes. And tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. And your red wine vinegar steak marinade is ready. This recipe makes about 1/2 cup of marinade, enough for roughly 500 to 700 grams of steak. For the best flavor, let the steak marinate for at least 2 to 4 hours, or overnight if possible. Give this marinade a try on your next steak night and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.